All right, guys, today I have another product review and it's by Firmoo. If that interests you, we would love for you to keep watching. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Bling Girls channel. My name is Barbara. I'm so happy that you're here to spend some time with me today. Today, guys, I have another product review and it's by a company, Firmoo. They are an online eyewear company. And they reached out to me to ask if I would do a review on their glasses in exchange for a pair of glasses. Now, I wear prescription eyeglasses, and they also have non-prescription. And they have sunglasses, they have blue light that can be put on them, and that's what's on mine. So I love that because sometimes if you are in front of blue light, which is your computers, your TVs, your phones, right? Even gaming. Gaming's lower, I think, though. But blue light protects the eyes and, you won't get the strain. But yeah, so let me tell you a little bit about this company. But before I do, Firmoo, thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so Firmoo is your one-stop optical destination for customized eyewear. They were founded in 2009 by a group of opticians and designers. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's 24/7 live chat, 1-year warranty for any defects on your frames, possible defect, okay? And also they are 60-day return and exchange. Unsatisfactory glasses can be exchanged or refunded within 60 days of receipt, okay? What does that mean? That means if you don't like them, no questions asked. They will return them, okay? So I am so excited to share these with you. I was looking for a tortoise frame, okay? And as always, when I do product reviews, I always have the information linked down in the description box, okay? So I'm gonna have the link to their website as well as the link to my glasses and as well the prices, and there's an item number as well, okay? And my glasses were $25.99. I did take a little bit of footnotes here, okay? $25.99. That's a really good price, okay? So they come in this beautiful box, so pretty, right? It came in this package. And they come like this. They did have some pamphlet things on top, but I didn't want them to fall. So I put them back in the little package here, like when I was going to open it to share. So, you just get a couple things like this in there. You can share. And I love this. Okay, this says a lot about a company that they take time to, put this in as well. This is a cute little pamphlet. See the world in a better sight, okay? Has their information on here, of how to find them. And here's contact info, return policy, and all that goody stuff in the back. Okay. And then inside of it, okay. So I believe this is the beginning. Nope, the way I did it. Anyway, so this is what's inside. So the first thing I see is clean and care. So they actually give you instructions of how to clean your glasses and how to care for them. That's a plus for a company. That says a lot because I have been buying prescription glasses online for a very long time from other companies, and this company really impresses me. So I'm definitely going to go and get another pair. Here, come on, what are you doing? Another thing, it says adapting to new glasses. That can be hard sometimes, right? So they give you all that information right in the middle there of how to adapt to your new glasses. Maintaining eye health. And they just give you a little bit about that. If you have experienced eye strain, blurred vision, red eyes, etc. And then, and then they're telling you about Firmoo blue light blocking glasses are designed to relieve these symptoms and provide you and your families a comfortable and enjoyable screen time. We provide blue light blocking glasses for distance for reading and for non-prescription. And that's what they're talking about on the top. Have you experienced eye strain, blurred vision, red eyes, and even trouble sleeping? I didn't even know that if you have trouble sleeping, it can be because of glasses. I stopped wearing my prescription glasses. I need them as needed, but I think I'm going to go back to wear them more because, wow, the long time usage of digital devices has made us to be exposed to the blue light from screens. I don't want my readers over here. I know. So that's interesting. So that comes with it. It comes in this really nice pouch. Now, I hate when it does that. This pouch, guys, is actually doubled as to clean these, okay? So that's really nice. And it's a real pretty universal color. So if I have any men watching me, okay, it's not pink. Okay, so these are the frames. You're like, Barbara, those are kind of big. I know, but you know what? I love trendy and not spendy. And I love these frames. They're so pretty. So what I love about them, let me just point out a few features about them, is they're tortoise. I am such a tortoise girl all the way. And also, they're symmetrical on both sides. I know some tortoise frames that I have seen online have not been, okay? And I love the little grommets, the little gold grommets in the front. That's like just so pretty for like, you know, dressing up an outfit. And this is, they are different on the arms, but that's really cool. Okay. But the front of it is the same. And that's what I love about them. Let's see if I could show you. See that? Okay. So mine have blue light. They wanted to put blue light on mine for extra protection. So I was like, oh, wow, aren't those pretty? Now, you might say, Barbara, that's a little too big for me to do, but they have other sizes. Like my husband thinks it's a perfect size for me. Okay, I really like them. They're really trendy, really beautiful. My eyebrows are still showing. So these are definitely perfect to make for sunglasses too, okay? And I love these. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Guys, these are gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so what do you guys think? So go and check them out. I'm going to have their website linked down for you guys. You guys are going to love what you say. They're 50% off of frames. I have a special code for you guys as well. That's going to be linked. So go and check out all that good stuff. And thank you so much, Firmoo, for sponsoring today's video. And I'm definitely going to go back and buy more. I love these. All right, guys, until next time, keep it real. Keep looking up. God has all the answers. And make it a great day, friends. And if life throws you morsels, make some hot cocoa. See you soon. Bye. Alrighty, guys. So I'm just wearing a really beautiful cardigan and a really pair of cute little black joggers and a cute little tank top. And I love floral with the glasses. What do you think?